A stock chartist, also known as a technical analyst or chartist, is a person who uses technical analysis to analyze stock price movements and identify potential trading opportunities. Technical analysis involves analyzing charts and other data to identify trends, patterns, and other signals that can help predict future price movements. Stock chartists typically use a variety of technical indicators, such as moving averages, trend lines, and chart patterns, to analyze stock prices. They may also use other technical tools, such as oscillators and momentum indicators, to help identify potential entry and exit points for trades. The goal of technical analysis is to identify trends and patterns in stock prices that can help predict future price movements. Technical analysts believe that past price movements can provide clues to future price movements, and use these clues to make trading decisions. It's important to note that technical analysis is just one approach to analyzing stock prices, and many investors and traders also use fundamental analysis, which focuses on a company's financial and economic data to make trading decisions.